What's going on YouTube? I'm Nick the Tutor, and this channel is dedicated to improving your SAT, ACT, and AP scores. Today we have an AP related video. In 2 minutes, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about the digital AP exams. I'm going to break it all down with a timer. So let's throw the timer up and get straight into it. All right, first thing you guys need to know, they will be releasing an app, right? And the app you can use to test the software. Obviously, you want to make sure that it works before you start your AP exam on the day of the test. So I recommend that you download that, but you have to make sure to download it on the computer that you plan on using for the exam. If you download it on a different computer, that's going to be the computer that you then have to use for the exam. So be careful for that. They've eliminated some of the question types that would be on the paper version of the exam. So there's going to be a different test for the online version of the exam. But what they are going to do is make sure to find a way to link the two exams together and equate the score so that basically whichever exam you're doing, it's going to be fair. Another thing they're going to do is they've actually limited students' ability to go back and forth. So you can't actually go backwards on the exam, even on one multiple choice question. Once you move on to the next question, it's over. You cannot go back. And even worse, you cannot go back and check your answers after you're done. So if you have an extra 30 minutes, you're not going to be able to go back and take a look at what you've done and maybe change something. It's over. Last year, people were able to use phones and tablets for the online AP exams. This year, that will not be allowed. So you cannot use a phone or a tablet. You also cannot use a Chromebook unless it is school issued. So you have to use either a laptop or a desktop or a school issued Chromebook. This is one of the things I think is going to create a huge problem. I'm predicting it now. I just think that there's going to be issues with students using school issued Chromebooks. I don't know if the software is going to know that, and there may be some kind of error. So just be careful. I would recommend using a desktop. If possible, it's the most stable option. You will only be allowed to have one tab and one program open while doing this. They don't want you to communicate with any other students. Basically, lock down your computer so you can't cheat and make sure that you're not communicating with anyone else. There'll be other cheating protection measures, like they're going to check your answers for plagiarism, and they're also going to have a typing assignment, which is basically going to evaluate, I think, something about your typing speed for purposes of security. All right, so I made it in under 2 minutes, taught you everything you need to know. Comment down below, do you think these tests are fair, or do you think it's going to get all messed up like last year? And I'll see you players soon. Peace.